Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Carpediashow. I was reading an article on Jalopnik. They were talking about the GTR boss, Hiroshi Tamura. He's basically head of the whole project and everything like that. He went ahead and admitted that he wants to do a next generation GTR. He's been planning on it. He's had a lot of ideas for it. But he's actually waiting on the board members from Nissan to give him approval. As he stands, he believes the current car could go on for another 10 years. I gotta doubt that. The car's been on sale, 12 years now. And just in the current climate we live in, safety regulations are always getting changed, getting tighter. So are emission regulations. I don't think this current car would last that long. I really think that after a while, it won't meet emissions for like North America or some new crash safety regulation, and because of that, they'll have to cancel the car. So I don't think we're gonna get a new GTR anytime soon. I doubt any of the board members will approve it. Their president of the company is being indicted in Japan for stealing money, funds like that. Sales have been down, so have profits have been down tremendously for Nissan. They got to focus more on the bread and butter. Their small cars, efficient cars, electrification. The Leaf. They've had the Leaf out for a while. It's time to add some more, larger cars to the mix. The trucks are kind of outdated. So the SUVs, so they have more important things to worry about than a very expensive two-door Halo vehicle at the moment. I know it's sad to say, but that's just using common sense. I don't think the board members are going to approve it anytime soon. So it looks like this GTR, the 35, is going to be the last one we have for quite a while. But I'm pretty sure in the future, when electrification comes more mainstream, I'm pretty sure they'll have an all-electric one and things like that. Once Nissan turns around, gets some more money in the bank, then they're able to spend, on a Halo vehicle like this. But right now, too niche of a market. The price of GTR, I know it keeps going up more and more. But at the end of the day, they keep improving. It's not like, the new model year, they add a few $1,000s to the price and, for no reason. But they're always improving it, tweaking the suspension here, turbos there, making the body stiffer. I know, like maybe, I think 2017 or 18 model year, they redid the interior, made it a little bit nicer, added more leather, nicer materials to grab onto in the vehicle. They got the Nismo, the full-fledged performance. Yeah, I know that's about like almost over $200,000 in American money. But tell me what you guys think about that. Are you ready for a new GTR? Are you tired of seeing this current GTR? Do you think it's a good idea? Also, do you think that they'll be able to still have him as the boss? Apparently, I was also reading an article, there's a mandatory retirement at the age of 60. I don't know if it's a Japanese thing or if it's a company thing with Nissan, but at the moment, the boss is only 58. So he really only has 2 years for them to figure out if they're going to improve the car or not. So this is probably the last GTR he's going to work on. It's sad, but as it's just current climate, what's going on in the world right now. So tell me what you guys think below in the comments. Appreciate you guys checking in and watching my show. And you enjoy the rest of your day and evening. And guys, check back tomorrow. I have some more news for you, okay?